One way to avoid expensive car repair bills is to be a race car driver. The other is Endurance. You could never pay for covered car repairs again.
In my first year with Endurance, they covered a $14,000 engine replacement.
As a certified mechanic, I always recommend that my customers have an auto protection plan. You never know when a breakdown can strike, and you need coverage that you can count on.
Without Endurance, breakdowns can cost thousands. With Endurance, you're covered. Even better, you pick the mechanic you trust.
Endurance covers nearly every car on the road, up to 20 years old.
They cover a ton on the car.
So, who's gonna pay for your next car repair? You or Endurance?
Act now for $300 off any plan. Plus a full year of elite benefits, a $2,000 value free, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Call 1-855-313-4632 now for a free quote.